Welcome to the Collab Education channel, your destination for sophisticated content knowledge and innovative teaching practices. As pioneers in the education industry, our goal is to revolutionize and reignite the teaching profession. Our cutting-edge maths and literacy content is specifically designed for foundation phase teachers who are dedicated to reshaping the current education landscape. This animated module has been taken directly from our mobile app and is part of our freemium package. With a new piece of content released every week, you will have access to top quality, user-friendly ideas. Right animation is part of our radar literacy content. Join us on this exciting journey of education innovation and excellence.
This assessment standard is addressed across all 4 terms. Ensure you work through the lessons systematically. Adapt the activities as your children increase their proficiency and skill set. Drawing is a graphic representation of language. Encouraging children to express their personal experiences through an artistic medium like painting or drawing relates language development to the development of writing. It is important that your children have had multiple opportunities to develop their finger dexterity and fine motor skills using a variety of writing implements. These tools could include pencils, crayons, magnetic letters, and chalk. A daily writing routine reinforces the value of writing and the link between thought and expressive written language. The foundation for understanding the elements of a story is developed by learning to combine the story setting, set of characters, and plot into a sequence that has a beginning, middle, and end. Provide each child with a blank sheet of paper or a page in their journal book. Refer to our bank of resources for a lesson on how to make a writing journal. Provide the children with art material that they can use to draw or paint. Instruct them to draw a picture about themselves. This could be a family drawing of brothers and sisters watching television, or a sunny day spent outside. Some children may report that they have nothing to share, or that nothing of interest has recently happened to them. Try to extract an experience from them by asking them to draw a picture of where they live, or a picture of their family. Even ordinary, everyday activities, such as washing the dishes or feeding the dog, are worthy of retelling. When the drawings are complete, talk to each of the children individually about their picture. This can be done solo or in front of the whole class. Remember that the aim of this task is to make the sharing and narration of the picture a positive experience for the children. You do not want to induce nervous tension. You can do this by being excited about their sharing, by encouraging their sharing of the experience depicted, by pointing out characters and requesting their names, by asking for descriptions, by pointing out the setting, by asking about their feelings relating to the picture, and by asking about the main idea they depicted. On completion of the task, ask each child to write their name onto their story. This may take any form, as there will be varying levels of motor skills. Some children may be able to write their name legibly. Some may write poorly formed letters. Some may scribble a string of letter-like forms, and some may produce mock writing. The intention to claim their narrative is what is important. Have the children think about a descriptive title for the story they represented. Use their idea to write a sentence at the top of their artwork. Read the sentence out loud as you write the heading. For example, if a child drew himself playing soccer, suggest the title, "I played with my cool new soccer ball." Reread the sentence through with each child as you point to the words. Allow them the opportunity to read their titled picture to the class. Through drawing, your children start to learn about authoring written text. This type of graphic narrative sees your children play multiple roles of artist, writer, and narrator. Encourage their retelling of their personal stories to develop their expressive language, story creation, and sharing discourse.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this animated module informative and engaging. Mark your calendars for our next release, airing next week Wednesday at 8 a.m. Central Africa Time. To stay up to date with our latest releases, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social media platforms, including Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing our next module with you. Join the Colab tribe today.